guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you are all doing great, and I hope all your businesses are going smoothly, and I wish you all lots of sales in this Christmas period. First of all, I want to apologize for not dropping any content last week. Last week was actually the very first time for not dropping content. Since this year began, I've been dropping content on this space back to back. Sometimes I upload videos like 3 times in a week, 2 times in a week. The list is once in a week. But last week I couldn't create any content at all because I've been very busy. I've been caught up with one-on-one trainings with people, home and abroad. I've been training people both in the country and outside the country. I've been training them on one-on-one training online. So I've been so busy. So guys, please don't be angry with me. I'm so sorry for this late coming for dropping this content late. So guys, in today's video I want to teach you how to register account on Pinduoduo, and how to register your WeChat account, and how to use it to register on Pinduoduo. And also I'll be teaching you how to download the Pinduoduo app. But the issue here is that this training might not be 100% practical like my other training videos, because I already have the WeChat installed on this my phone that I'm using to film right now, that I always use to do screen recording. So I already have the Pinduoduo as well, so I need to use another device to teach you guys. So that's why I tried using this my second phone to install the WeChat. Then when I started the training, I already started the like the teaching on how to register a WeChat before you can use it to log into Pinduoduo, because Pinduoduo you cannot register directly on Pinduoduo. I don't know why Nigerian code is not showing there. Other I think other country codes are there. I saw other countries code there, but Nigerian code is not there. I don't know why. So you without the code now, like, you cannot register, right? And the only method you can use to register is using WeChat. So with WeChat you can log in to Pinduoduo. So you need to have a WeChat account first. So I installed WeChat app here. Then I tried using it to teach, like recording it as I'm doing the registration process. But when I got to a point, it started telling me network busy, check your network settings and all of. I tried and tried, but it didn't work. And without that, I can't teach the Pinduoduo from scratch, like from the beginning, on how to do everything, how to register, how to link it to other things like that. So that's why I got tired. I didn't know what else to do. But don't worry, this video I'm going to use my mouth, I'm going to use words, I'm going to explain everything on how to go about the registration, how to link it to your Alipay, your WeChat, and the card payments, how to link your card. And I'm going to be dropping some screenshots of when I was doing mine. I took some screenshots, so I'm going to be dropping them on the screen as well. So guys, let's dive right into the video. To download the Pinduoduo app, go to your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome, then type www.pinduoduo.com, then search for it. So this is the website. This is the Pinduoduo website, right? So the next thing you need to do is to translate the website. Click on the three dots up there like this, then click on translate. So now click on where it says go to buy. Look up, you see go to buy. Then click on go to buy. Okay, can you see app below? App. Let me translate it. So download the app. So it's only the app that you can use to buy anything on Pinduoduo. You cannot buy anything on this website. It's only through the app that you can buy. That's why they wrote go to buy. So when you download, click on download immediately. When you click on it, it will just download automatically on your phone. This is how to download it. Okay, so it has taken me to the app because I already have the app installed. So this is the app. This is the app. Okay, so let's continue. If you are hearing of Pinduoduo for the first time, Pinduoduo is a Chinese shopping e-commerce website where you can buy products in the comfort of your home with your mobile phone at a very affordable rate. The prices there are way more cheaper than other shopping e-commerce websites in China. So guys, before you can start using this Pinduoduo, you need to register a WeChat account as a Nigerian. I think other countries, Ghana and other countries, they can register directly on the app, but Nigerian code is not there, like I said earlier. So you need to register a WeChat account for a start. So right now, go and download a WeChat app and register. After the registration, it might ask you to send a code, a barcode to a friend for them to register for you. Someone who has been using the WeChat for like I think 6 months for foreigners and 2 months for um, Chinese people. So if it shows you that code, you need to look for someone who will verify it for you before the registration will be successful. But in my own case, it didn't show me that whenever I'm registering for people, it doesn't show me that I should verify for people. I don't know why it's like that in my own case. I don't experience that. So whenever I register, it always registers me successfully. So guys, you need to first of all download a WeChat app and register there if you want to use Pinduoduo app to start shopping. And secondly, you need to download an Alipay app because Alipay is the most secured method, like payment method that you can be using to pay on the Pinduoduo app. But Pinduoduo supports card payment, it supports WeChat payment, it supports Alipay payment, and I think it supports other payments. But these are the three payments I have used and is working well. So after the registration, you need to link your WeChat. You need to verify it as well. So you will need international passport. There's no two way about it. You will need an international passport to do this verification I'm talking about. If you haven't used Alipay before, you also need an international passport to verify your Alipay. So when it comes to Pinduoduo, these two apps that is linked to the Pinduoduo, this WeChat and Alipay, the both of them need international passport. If you want to be using WeChat, please pay attention to my explanation. If you want to be using WeChat as your payment method on Pinduoduo, you will need to verify it using your international passport, and it will also request for a bank card. You also need a bank card to continue the verification, else the verification will not be successful. After you enter your what is it called, international passport and the rest, it will also request for a bank card for the registration to be complete. You need a bank card. So the Alipay as well, you will need international passport for the verification. So if it's your first time here, these are the things you need to do all these things. So after that, one thing about this Pinduoduo is once you have Alipay already, when you want to make payments, it will just bring out the Alipay and you make your payments. It's very easy. Once you want to make payments on the app, when you register successfully and you have Alipay already on your phone, logged on your phone, automatically it will just bring it out and you make payments. So all you need to do is just to enter your payment code and you make the payment successfully using the Alipay. The card aspect, you will, if you want to use card to make payments, let me be honest with you, Nigerian bank cards are not working. The one that worked for me is a Providus bank card. Providus bank card. This bank card is a platinum card. The bank, it works as a dollar card and also as a naira card. You can use it for dollar and you can also use it for naira. So if you want to be using the card, you can go to Providus bank to register, to and get the bank card. But I won't lie to you, the rate is high. The rate they charged me when I used the card to pay on Pinduoduo was very high. I think as at that time, black market rate for RMB was 160 something naira. But they charged me when I received debit alert, they charged 118 naira. So it is high. I won't advise that you use your bank card. I tried using UBA didn't work. I tried using GT Bank, it didn't work. But Providus Bank worked. I used it on WeChat as well, it worked. But the rate is high, very, very high. So guys, after that, you need to put your address. So what you need to do is, I'm going to give and show you example on how to add your address. Just copy your address. When you copy the address, when you now click on where you will add your address, it will just ask you to paste it. Just paste it. It will automatically fill it for you, just like the way it does on 1688. But there's always one space that is blank. That's where you will now add your name. Put your name there and click on save and save it. You can add multiple addresses on that space. So and you make your order. It's very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Like I said earlier, this training is not going to be 100% practical. So I'll be explaining some and I'll be showing some on the screen as you are watching. So guys, one thing I discovered about this Pinduoduo is that a lot of things on the app are cheap. But one thing I noticed is handbags. Some handbags are not that cheap compared to 1688. So what I want to advise is, if you want to be buying handbags, I will advise you check the prices on the both apps, 1688 app and Pinduoduo, for you to see some that are cheaper. You can buy them on Pinduoduo. If they are cheaper on 1688, buy them on 1688. I think it's better like that, because I noticed something, that some bags on Pinduoduo are like 1 yuan or 2 yuan difference to 1688. I know it's the same thing 1688. Some bags on 1688 are like 1 yuan or 2 yuan difference to the ones on to the price on Pinduoduo. But other things I have checked are very, very cheap. You will see a difference of 15 yuan. You see a difference or a difference of 10 yuan. So me now, whenever I discover anything on all these Chinese websites we are shopping from, I'm always here to tell you the plain truth. I'm always here to guide you so that you make profit as you are doing business, right? So guys, right now, go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download the WeChat app first and do the registration. When you have done the registration successfully, go to the Pinduoduo website to download the app. I don't think they have the app on Play Store or Apple Store. So I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can easily download the app. And after that, use the option to log in using WeChat. Log in using WeChat option. Use it to log in to your Pinduoduo, and from there all you need to do is add your address, add your shipping address, then link your WeChat, do your verification, add your bank card, and that's basically all. Like I've explained earlier, that's basically how to do that. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope my explanation are clear. If you have any other question, please drop it in the comment section. And if you are an international person and you are looking for ways to buy yuan with your dollar or your pounds, please send me a DM on Instagram. We can help you exchange your dollar to yuan and your pounds to yuan. Just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll tell you what next to do. And also watch out for my next video. I have some goods that just landed, you know, through sea shipping. So watch out for my next video. I'm going to show you a lot of goodies that I ordered for Christmas. I'm going to do an unboxing of everything like I usually do here. So I'm going to unbox them for you guys to see lots of beautiful products I ordered for Christmas. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are interested in importation and you want me to train you, you want to have a one-on-one training with me, kindly send me a DM on Instagram and I'll give you my WhatsApp number, and from there we would start the training. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching. And I noticed that some people find it difficult to source for products, good quality products. So I feel you guys need some inspiration, need some assistance. Yeah, so I'm going to be helping you guys to source for good quality products, and I will attach the links to the videos whenever I upload them. So watch out for my next videos. I'll be sourcing for products for you guys, those of you who want to buy good quality, high quality products like clothes, kids clothes for Christmas or for business, handbags, high quality affordable handbags, luxurious handbags like all these branded handbags and adult clothing and all of that. So watch out for my next videos and subscribe. If it's your first time here, click on the subscribe button so that you always get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So guys, if you have any other question as regards 1688 importation, Pinduoduo importation, Alipay, any other questions at all that you have about importation, kindly drop your comment in the comment section, or you can join my membership and request for a video. When you request for a video, I'll upload it to you, my members only, to your own eyes only. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe or subscribe.